I'm Pat Carey. I'm the Senior Vice President here at Stratasys in the Industrial Business Unit, which is the business unit responsible for FDM, H350, which is SAF, and the industrial origin. We launched the H350. We started out last year. We started shipping this year in January. We're shipping a lot of them around the world. Our partners are putting them in. Customers are putting them in. We've also announced a number of new materials. We launched with PA11. We've announced PA12 and also the polypropylene. So we're starting to see a lot of interest in those as well. Our partnership with DyeMansion is really important. As you know, great parts come out of this machine. So those parts need to be further processed, cleaned, maybe fused, and then dyed different colors for end-use applications. We're really focused on end-use applications with these parts. So the key is how do they look, what's their surface finish, etc. So our partnership's really key. Most of our resellers have picked up DyeMansion because we have these parts that need to be further processed, and they're serving the end customer for us. So it's really nice to see. Also, we really enjoy that DyeMansion and Stratasys have very similar cultures. So we think the same, we get along with our customers the same, so we fit really well together.